What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Mitsubishi Outlander remote key fob. This Mitsubishi Outlander key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the key will pull out like that, and we can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, the end that the key slid out of, we see there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and put it in that notch like that. Make sure it's all the way pushed in, then I'm going to twist the screwdriver. And as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart and pops this back cover off. And we see our battery right here. And there's a little bit of a cutout in this battery holder that will allow you to get your screwdriver under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And then we can snap this back cover on, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.